Welcome students in a second exercise, that is a cone. So students, see the shape of cone is like this. So you can say that a shape or an object that has a round base, and a point at the top, it is called a cone. Now what is, see, this is, let us suppose this is a right angle triangle. When we rolled it, this is A, B, C, and when we rolled it and it becomes like this, this cone, which is A, B, C, this is slant height, this is height, and this is a radius. Now students, when we have to find the slant height, that is L square is equals to H square plus R square. Volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi R square H. 1 by 3 pi R square H. Now, curved or lateral surface area. Now, curved or lateral surface area, that is pi RL. Now, see, this is a cone, right? When I open this cone like this, let us see, when I open it, I get a circular part, like, see this, and again like this, again this, like this. So I get in upper part triangle and in the lower part circle. So what is the area of 1 by 2 base into height? Now height is L and base, area of a base, that is pi R. So there is so many, so you can say that curved surface area of a cone is pi RL, and total surface area, that is curved surface area plus area of a base. Curved surface area plus area of the base. Now, what is a curved surface area? That is pi RL, and its base is also circular. So what is the area of its base? Area of its base is pi R square. Area of its base is pi R square. It means pi R L plus R is a total surface area of a cone. Now see, there are some examples. See, in the first question, find the volume of a cone. We have to find in the first question volume of a cone whose slant height is 17 centimeter and radius of the base is 8 centimeter. Now, here radius is 8 centimeter and slant height means L is given 17 centimeter. Now what is the formula of volume of cone? That is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Now 1 by 3 we have to find firstly H. Now when we have to find the H, L square is equals to H square plus R square, right? Now L is 17 square, H square is equals to 289 minus 64, which is 225, h square root, which is 15. So h is what? H is 15. Now 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 8, multiply 8, multiply 15. 3 ones are 3 and 5, and after solving it you get an answer. After solving it you get an answer, right? And the answer of this is 1005.7 centimeter cube. See, next question. See, in the next question, a heap of a wheat is in the form of cone of diameter 16.8. So let us suppose we have to keep wheat in the form of cone. So when we have to keep the wheat in the form of cone like this, right, on earth, then the diameter is 16.8 meter. So its radius is 16.8 by 2, which is 8.4 meter, and height is 3.5 meter. So what is the height? Height is a 3.5. How much cloth is required to just cover the heap? How much means, first of all we have to find the volume. So see here, radius is given, that is 8.4 meter, and height is given. What is given? Height is given, that is 3.5. Now what we have to find? Volume. Now volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into r, that is 8.4 multiply 8.4 multiply 35. After solving it you get the answer 2587.2 meter square, right? Now come on the next question. See question number 12. The area of the base of conical cylinder, conical solid is, now see, this is a conical shape, right? So area of base of conical solid is 38.5. So area of meter square. Now this is in a circular shape. So what is the area pi r square? Now r square is now after solving it you get r is equals to 3.5 after solving it. Okay, now next, and its volume is 154. Now volume is 154 meter cube. What is the formula of volume? 1 by 3 pi r square h is 154. Now pi is 22 by 7 and h is there. 154 into 3 into 7 by 22 into r is 3.5. Now what is r? R is a 3.5. Okay, after solving it you get h is equal to 3234, right? Now you get a h, that is 3 2 3 4. Now we have to find now you get h, that is 12 meter square, and after solving you get a slant height and curved surface area. Now what is the curved surface area? L, that is 22/7, R is 3.5 and E is 12.5. After solving it, you get a answer this. Okay. Now, come on a third concept. Sphere. Now, see, the sphere is in round in shape. Sphere is what? Sphere is round in shape. You can say that any round object shaped like a ball, whose shaped like a ball, you can say it is a sphere. So sphere has a radius. So there is some formulas related to sphere. So first formula is volume of sphere. Which is 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, and surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. Right? After that, spherical cell, volume of its is, means there is a sphere and there is another sphere in one sphere. So what is the formula? 4/3 pi r cube minus r cube, right? And what about a hemisphere? Hemisphere is, hemi means half of the sphere. So you can, when we have to find the hemisphere, it means that it is the half of the sphere. So what is the volume of hemisphere? That is 1/2 of volume of sphere. Half of sphere na, it means its volume is also be a half. That is 4/3 pi r cube, right? And total surface area is also, no, total surface area is different. Now, total surface area, that is 3 pi r square. That is 3 pi r square. Now see students, there is a first question. Surface area of sphere is 2464. So surface area, surface of sphere. Now surface area of sphere is what? That is 4 pi r square. That is what? 4 pi r square. Now here sphere, area of sphere is given 4 pi r square. Now see, we take a 4 in that side and pi r square in same side. Now r square is equals to 2464 over 7 multiply 7/22. 4 ones are 4. 56. Now r square is what? Wait. See students, 4 ones are 4. Now r square is 616 multiplied 7 by 22. Now 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 11 fives are 11 six are. Now here, after cutting it, we get a 28, which is 196. Now r is under root of 196, which is 14 centimeter square. Centimeter, sorry, this is the radius, not we have to put a square. Now again volume 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3, 22 by 7, 14 into 14 into 14. After solving it, you get an answer. Okay, now see next question. See in the next question, 8 metallic sphere, each of radius is 2 meter are melted and cast in a single sphere. Calculate the radius of new sphere. Now see, here radius is 2 millimeter, right? 8 metallic sphere. Here are 8 metallic sphere are there. Each of radius is 2 meter are melted and cast into a single sphere. Means volume of 8 sphere is equals to volume of new sphere, right? Now 8 sphere, now what is the volume of sphere? That is 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? Now here 8, that's why I multiply with 8 sphere and make a 1 sphere, right? Now 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 is cut, pi is cut with pi. Now each radius is 2 millimeter, means 8 2 multiply 2 is equals to r cube, which is 64 is equals to r cube, and cube root of 64 is 4. So what is the radius? Radius is a 4. This is the radius of the new sphere. Now see next question. A solid sphere and a solid hemisphere have a same total surface area. Means total surface area of sphere and total surface area of hemisphere are same. Now first of all, question number is 10. What is given? Total surface area, right? Now total surface area of sphere is equal to total surface area of hemisphere. Now total surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square, and total surface area of hemisphere, that is 3 pi r square. Right? Now here cut pi with pi, and what we get, r is equal to 3 by 4 r square root. Now what we have to find? He said find the ratio between their volumes. Now what is the volume? You can also write it as 3r over 2. What is the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. And what is the volume of hemisphere? that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, right? We cut pi with pi, and after solving you put a value of r, capital R, and you get a answer, right? After that you get a answer. Now students, convergence of solids. See 20th D. A hollow sphere of internal and external diameter is 4 cm and 8 cm respectively is melted into a cone. Means we have a hollow sphere and melted it into a cone. So what is the internal diameter of sphere? Internal diameter is 4 cm and external diameter is what? 8 cm, right? Now its radius become 2 cm and its radius become a 4 cm, right? Now what he said, find the height of the cone, and one thing is more, the cone of base diameter is 8 cm. Means we have a diameter 8 cm of a cone base. Base of cone, right? Its diameter 8 centimeter, so its radius is again 4 centimeter. Now first of all we have to find the volume hemisphere. Now what is the volume of hemisphere? That is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now here is a hollow sphere, so we have to put this. Here is a 2 sphere, so we have to 4 by 3 pi. Now what is a r? R is a 4 and 2. Now 4 cube minus 2 cube, right? And after that we get 4 by 3 pi 64 minus 8, which is 4 by 3 pi into 56. And next onward he said that diameter of cone is 8 centimeter and its radius is 4 centimeter. Now again volume of cone. Now volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now 1 by 3 into pi. Now what is a r? R is a 4. 22 by 7 into 4 into 4 into h. But after solving it we get 16 pi h over 3. We no need to put a value here because later on it will be cut. Okay. Now what he said, that there is a tube sphere and melted into a cone. So volume of sphere and volume of cone are equal. So we can write it as 4 by 3. What is the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi into 56 is equals to 16 pi of h over 3. Right? Now pi is cut with pi, 3 is cut with 3. Now there is a 16. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 56 over is equals to h. Now what is the value of h? That is 14 centimeter is the value of h. Now see next question. A solid rectangular block of metal is 49 centimeter by 44 centimeter by 18 centimeter. Now there is a box which is in a rectangular shape. See like this, there is any box which is in a rectangular shape and is melted and formed into a solid sphere. Means there is a box and it is melted and it become a cone. So what he said, calculate the radius of the sphere. So first of all we have to volume of cone is equals to volume of box, that is length into breadth into height. And what is the volume of cone, sorry, volume of sphere? It is recasted into sphere. So sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube into length, breadth and height is given, that is 49 multiply 44 and multiply 18. Now r cube is 49 multiply 44 multiply 8, 7 by 24 and 3 by 4. Right? Now 11 ones are 2, 9, and we get 49 into 9 into 7 into 3. Right? We can write it as 7 into 7 into 7, 3 into 3 into 3. Now here is a cube root, and what is the value of r? Cube root of 7 into 7 into 7, 3 into 3 into 3. Now take a one pair, 7 into 3, that is 21. So radius is 21 centimeter. Right? Now next part is combination of solids. See students, a cone of height 15 centimeter and diameter is 7 centimeter. Now a cone of height is 15 centimeter. So there is a cone, its height is 15 centimeter, right? And diameter 7 centimeter is mounted on a semisphere. So there is another semisphere, right? Its diameter is 7 centimeter. Yeah. Hemisphere of same diameter. Determine the volume of solid thus formed. See students, here one cone and one sphere. Hemisphere. We have to add the volume of both and we get a answer. Now volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of cone is, hemisphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? Yeah. After that we take 1 by 3 and pi r common and here is h plus r. After putting the value you get the answer. Right? Students, here is a hemisphere, so you put a 2 by 3 and there is a 2. With this, this chapter is complete. There 20 F and G is miscellaneous exercise, so you can try to solve it. So students, homework is try to complete 20th A, 20th B, D and miscellaneous exercises also. If there is any problem, then please mention in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.